Hello, and welcome to Reviewly.ai. In this video, we're going to guide you through how to connect Stripe to Reviewly.ai. This setup has a few more steps, but we're going to walk through each one so you can connect everything with confidence. So, let's get started. To begin, you're going to need an active Stripe account. Then, from there, go ahead and log in to Reviewly.ai. From the dashboard, click on the drop-down menu next to your location name, and then click Integrations. On this page, scroll down until you see the blue Connect button underneath Stripe. Next, go ahead and click Connect. Now a box is going to pop up. In order to connect Stripe, you're going to need two things. First, you're going to need a secret API key, and second, you're going to need a webhook signing secret. So we're going to go through the steps on getting this information. Open a new tab, and then log in to Stripe. There are two ways to get the information we need. The first way is, on the search bar, you can type in API keys. Alternatively, you can scroll down to the bottom left of the page on your dashboard, then click on Developers. Then click API Keys. On this screen, you're going to see a few different areas. Scroll down to the Standard Keys area. Then click Create Secret Key. You're going to be given a few options. Go ahead and click Choose Build Your Own Integration. Then click Create Secret Key. At this point, Stripe will then need to authenticate you for security reasons, so click Send Verification. After you have authenticated your account, you'll be given a box where you can give your key a name. In this box, type in Stripe Billing. Then click the Create button. The next box you will see that the key is copied to your clipboard automatically, but you can also highlight it and copy it if you need to. Click the Done button once you have the key copied. Now, switch back to the Reviewly.ai tab and paste that key into the Stripe Secret Key box. Next, we need to create a webhook signing secret. So let's go ahead and go back to the Stripe tab. Now, we need to get to the webhooks page to add a destination. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Developers button again. Then, select Webhooks. Click Add Destination. You're going to need to add 3 events to this webhook. The easiest way to add the events is to search for them in the search box. To know which ones you will need, you can go back to the Reviewly.ai tab, and you will see the 3 events highlighted in bold. Go ahead and copy the first one, which is Payment Intent Succeeded. Then switch back to the Stripe tab and paste into the search box. Click the checkbox. Now go back to the Reviewly.ai tab, be the next one, which is Checkout Session Completed, and paste that into the search box in the Stripe tab. Again, click the checkbox. Let's grab the last one from the Reviewly.ai tab, which is Invoice Payment Succeeded. Again, once you have copied and pasted it into the search bar in the Stripe tab, click the checkbox. You will need to verify you have all 3 selected, so you can do that by clicking on Selected Events. After verification, click Continue. For the destination type, select Webhook Endpoint and click Continue. Go back to the Reviewly.ai tab and click on the Copy button. This will copy the webhook URL to your clipboard. Return to the Stripe tab and paste it in the webhook URL. Name the destination or use the automatically generated name, and then click Create Destination. Once the destination is created, reveal the signing secret on the right side of the page by clicking the eye, and then click the clipboard to copy it. Then, return to your Reviewly.ai tab and paste the webhook signing secret into the bottom box. Before connecting, you can click Test Key to make sure everything is working correctly. Once it is successful, go ahead and click Connect. And that completes the Stripe integration setup. From this point forward, successful payments and invoices will automatically trigger review and feedback requests through Reviewly.ai. Thanks for watching. If you need any assistance or have questions along the way, you can reach out anytime to support@Reviewly.ai.